right, we have the Elmwood Breast Cancer Awareness Trolley. We're down here at Eastwick Loop. We're gonna take a walk around just to show y'all just what it looks like from all angles. I just hope I don't break my neck on this rocks. Ain't she pretty? Oh man, that's beautiful. I'll do an exterior shot. 90-80. Alright, now we're about to go inside. Hi Jordan. Now we're about to go inside. Alright, now we're inside the trolley. We're gonna show there's the street, there's the curbside. We walk back. Okay, now we're in the back of the car. Now we're gonna walk back towards the front. I don't know why Jordan's standing over there looking like a creep.
What?
You over there look like a creep.
I'm not.
You are. You just standing off to the side like that. You're staying right out against that bright background. Terrible. And then there's the clown man.
I'm literally
You had to make his.
destination sign.
And I'm taller. Tell me something I don't know.
His breast thing.
That, sir, we are recording. You can't do this.
Really?
The man with the plan.
And that's the man behind it
The man
all.
with the plan.
Mr. Parker himself.
Don't mind this. Hold on, let me hide it.
He said, let me hide. Why you had to hide the PCC?
Elmwood. Call me Tae Parker.
Hey, yo, you gotta relax. That's the man behind it all. That's the man whose vision put that all together.
Operation Save the Titty.
You gotta relax.
We say tickle bitties,
Hey, you.
smiggle smitties, saggy, baggy, big, small. Don't give them a fuck. We love them all.
Hey, yo. I'm dead. We gotta make this gotta be rated R now.
I seen that, Jordan. I'm gonna
Hey,
let you
you.
know I seen that. I seen that.
He damn near fell. He damn near killed yourself. It's terrible. Damn shame.
I'm sitting there talking. The only thing I seen was this. I swear, I would have kept my composure until he took the camera off. Then I would have been laughing.
Oh no. Terrible.
I'm a good
Oh.
fellow.
But that's
I'm still adding shit on to it because I got to add the stickers.
well, still looks good regardless though. It's a damn good job regardless. Just the flashing lights be getting me.
It's like Kanye.
Seizure warning.
You'll be okay, sport.
All of the lights, all of the lights. It's all over.
All these trolley folks.
These detailed stickers.
Mark Quine on his way to come out.
Why? No.
I'm
No.
only playing, I'm
No.
only playing.
No.
I had to see your expression on.
No. Listen, he would disappear in these woods somewhere real quick.
Listen, sir,
Damn.
we're still recording.
He is recording this.
I'm
man.
still recording. This got to go on YouTube eventually,
Listen.
sir. I'm not trying to get reported for terroristic
I'm not
threats.
trying to be assessing the murder. So, that ain't terrorism shit.
Nope. You on your own. Let's get the front of it again. And with that, we'll wrap it up. We gave y'all a little stuff to laugh at. But till next time, let's look Flair here from Blue 9 Multimedia Group, bringing you the Elmwood Breast Cancer Awareness Trolley. So as always, everyone please be safe in your endeavors. And until next time, peace and love.